Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this moonlight or spotlight effect on CapCut PC. I'm just going to select this video and I'm just going to I'll just copy and paste it first. On the first video, I'll go to blend mode and adjust the opacity so it's darker. Select your second video, go to mask and select the circle one and place it where the object is. I'm just going to feather it out, but not too much. Maybe 5 to 3 is good, so maybe around 4. If the object is moving, you can definitely keyframe it so it will follow the object all the time. Like that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!